To experience the reality of God, one must enter a specific state of consciousness. This is not a concept bound by the intellect, nor something you achieve by physical effort. It is a shift in awareness, a gentle surrender to the deeper, infinite part of yourself. In this state, you become one with the creative power of the universe. It is not something external, but rather a discovery of what already exists within you. You are, in essence, a manifestation of God's imagination, and through understanding this, you come to know that creation itself flows through you. You see, the state you must enter is not some far-off place or unreachable realm. It is a state of being that is available to you right here, right now. It is the awareness of your divine nature, of your oneness with the Creator. When you truly enter this state, you realize that there is no separation between you and the source of all life. God is not an entity outside of you, dictating your fate. Rather, God is the very essence of your being, the power that moves within you, waiting for your conscious recognition to fully express itself. To begin entering this state, you must first become quiet within. The noise of the outer world can easily distract you from the inner reality. Silence your mind, calm your thoughts, and turn your attention inward. In this stillness, you will find the presence of God waiting for you, a presence that has been there all along. It is in this state of quiet surrender that you can begin to feel the reality of God's presence. It is a state beyond the intellect, beyond words, a state of pure being. As you dwell in this state, you will begin to see that everything in your outer world is merely a reflection of your inner state. The circumstances you experience, the people you encounter, and the events that unfold in your life are all shaped by your consciousness. This is the divine power at work within you, shaping your reality according to the thoughts and feelings you hold. If you wish to change your outer experience, you must first change your inner state. By aligning yourself with the awareness of God within, you begin to create a life that reflects the harmony and abundance of the divine. Now, this is not something you do through force or struggle. You cannot put yourself into this state by effort alone. Instead, it is a process of letting go of the limitations you have placed on yourself, letting go of the belief in separation, and allowing yourself to simply be. It is in this state of being that you truly experience the reality of God. And once you have touched this state, even for a brief moment, you will never be the same. Your perception will shift, and you will begin to see the world through new eyes. You will no longer feel like a victim of circumstances, for you will know that you are the creator of your reality. This knowledge brings with it a profound sense of peace, for you will realize that you are not at the mercy of the world around you. Instead, you are a divine being, shaping and molding your life according to the consciousness you hold. The key to maintaining this state is persistence. You must practice entering this state of awareness regularly, especially when faced with challenges. The more you dwell in the awareness of your divine nature, the more your outer world will begin to reflect that truth. It is not always easy, especially when the world around you may seem chaotic or uncertain, but it is in those moments that your faith in this truth must remain unwavering. In those times, remind yourself that the outer world is merely a reflection of your inner state. If you wish to see change, you must first return to the inner silence, where the presence of God resides. This presence is always with you, always ready to guide you, if you are willing to listen. And understand this, to experience the reality of God is not to escape the world, but to see the world through the eyes of divine love and wisdom. You are not here to reject or deny your physical existence, but to bring the light of your divine nature into every aspect of your life. When you enter this state of awareness, you begin to live as a true expression of God, radiating love, peace, and abundance in all that you do. Every thought, every word, and every action becomes infused with divine purpose. You no longer feel the need to control or manipulate the world around you, for you know that everything is unfolding according to the perfect will of God. And because you are aligned with that will, your life begins to flow with ease and grace. There will be moments of doubt, moments when it may seem as though the outer world is overpowering the inner truth. But even in these moments, hold fast to the awareness that you are one with the Creator. The challenges you face are not obstacles, but opportunities for you to deepen your awareness of God's presence in your life. When you fully think of this state of being, you will find that you no longer fear the future, for you understand that you are the creator of your destiny. You will no longer dwell in the past, for you will know that the present moment is where all power resides. And in this present moment, you have the ability to shape your reality in accordance with the divine will. This is the reality of God, a reality that is not bound by time or space, but that exists in the eternal now. And as you enter this state, you begin to live in alignment with the truth of who you are. You are not a mere human being, struggling to survive in a chaotic world. You are a divine expression of God, here to bring forth the light and love of the Creator into every aspect of your life. So, enter this state with confidence, knowing that the reality of God is not something far away or unattainable. It is right here, within you, waiting for your recognition. And as you dwell in this state, you will come to know that you are not separate from God, but one with the very source of all creation. The more you practice entering this state, the more natural it will become. It is not something that requires years of study or special knowledge. It is simply a matter of turning your attention inward and allowing yourself to be. In this state of being, you will experience the reality of God in a way that words cannot describe. It is a feeling, an awareness, a knowing that transcends the limitations of the mind. And once you have experienced this, even for a moment, you will understand that the true nature of reality is far greater than anything you could have imagined. You will see that the world around you is not fixed or static, but a fluid expression of your consciousness. And as you align your consciousness with the divine, your life will begin to reflect that truth in ways that are beyond your wildest dreams. But remember, this is not something you strive for or achieve through effort. It is a state of grace, a gift that is already yours. All you need to do is claim it by turning inward and recognizing the divine presence that has always been with you. So, enter this state and experience the reality of God for yourself. Let go of the limitations of the mind, and allow yourself to be filled with the awareness of your divine nature. In this state, you will find peace, love, and joy beyond measure. You will come to know the truth of who you are, and in that knowing, you will experience the reality of God in every aspect of your life. Now, as you continue to dwell in this state, you will notice that your outer world begins to change. The circumstances that once seemed insurmountable will begin to shift, and new opportunities will present themselves. This is the power of God at work within you, bringing forth the reality of your desires in ways that are perfect and harmonious. Trust in this process, for it is the natural unfolding of the divine plan for your life. You are not alone in this journey, for the presence of God is always with you, guiding and directing your steps. And as you remain in this state of awareness, you will find that everything you need is already within you. This is the reality of God, a reality that is available to you in every moment. And as you enter this state, you will come to know the truth of your divine nature, and the infinite power that lies within you. To all of you who have listened, now is the time to step into this awareness. You've been given the tools to connect with the deeper reality of God, to access the divine power within yourself, and to live a life of peace, abundance, and purpose. Take a moment to reflect on the words shared today, and allow them to sink deep into your consciousness. You have the ability to experience this reality, to live it in your daily life, and to see the world in a new light. If this message resonates with you, I encourage you to take action. Make this a part of your life, and if you found value in what was shared, support this channel by engaging with the content. Here's how you can do that. First, give this video a thumbs up. It's a simple way to show your appreciation for the message and help others discover it. Next, if you want to stay connected to more content like this, hit the subscribe button below. By subscribing, you ensure that you won't miss out on any future insights or teachings that can help you along your path. Also, leave a comment below and share your thoughts or any experiences you've had related to this topic. Your engagement adds value to the conversation, and it's a powerful way to connect with others on the same journey. Additionally, share this video with someone you believe will benefit from it. A simple share can spread this message of awakening and truth to someone who might need it today. And, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever new content is uploaded. That way, you'll always be the first to receive the latest insights. Your support is truly appreciated, and it helps continue the work of sharing these powerful messages with as many people as possible.